on, sweetheart. Come here, baby girl.
It's her lap.
No, get up.
Destination over there. You can do it.
Hey.
Hey.
Look at all the toys over there.
There's a bunch. Say, there's a bunch.
There's a bunch.
There's T-Rex.
You can do it, Penelope.
You can do it, Penelope.
Baby girl, come on.
Baby girl, come on.
You got this.
You got this. Oh, come on.
Sweetheart.
I can go with her.
Oh, no, get out. No. No, that's not the point of it.
Oh, it just came right to you.
I know.
Say thanks, Everett.
We want her to crawl to it.
Oh.
That's why it was kind of far away.
Okay, should I put it back somewhere?
Huh? Can I see this for a second, Penelope? Can I see this for a second?
No, Dad. I know what you're going to do.
Yeah.
I know what you're doing.
Can I see it for a second?
Oh, she'll let Everett see it. Can we put it over there? Put it over there?
Right here?
Someone else she can see it.
On her
Here.
back. Yeah. Oh, she's scooting.
Oh! Goody.
Come on.
She's getting closer.
Come on, baby girl.
You can make it too far away.
You can do it, Penelope.
You can do it, Penelope.
Hey, come on. You're almost there.
Versus. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Almost there?
You're doing
I know.
great,
What was your
Penelope.
brother doing?
Don't worry about him.
Advice for life. Come on.
Dad.
We won't take it away anymore, we promise.
Dad.
Look, she's doing it.
Dad.
Yay, you made it.
You did it. Good job,
You
baby girl.
made it. Yay.
I know she could do
You're a
it.
good scooter.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. She won. She won. She won. She won. She won. She won. She